What happens to your body when you drink carrot juice daily? Carrots are definitely among the most popular vegetables. This root vegetable is usually orange in color, though red, white, yellow, and purple varieties exist. The characteristic color of carrots is produced by beta-carotene and alpha-carotene. Also, it consists of lutein, gamma-carotene, and zeaxanthin. Carrots are a great source of fiber, mineral, and vitamins A, B, C, and vitamin K. This vegetable can be juiced or consumed raw or cooked. To obtain its maximum benefits, we recommend you to start drinking carrot juice. Make this your daily routine and your body will thank you. Check out the 10 health benefits of carrot juice. 1. Boosts immunity. By consuming only 1 glass of carrot juice a day, you will be able to boost your immunity. It will help your body fight against free radical damage, and protect your body from inflammation, bacteria, and harmful viruses. Carrot juice is a great source of vitamins and minerals like K, B6, potassium, and phosphorus, essential for the good condition of your brain, bones, and nervous system. 2. Cholesterol and blood sugar maintenance. With its rich potassium content, carrot juice has the ability to maintain cholesterol and blood sugar levels. It is low in calories and sugar content. The essential minerals and vitamins it contains work together to prevent diabetes. Moreover, it increases bile secretion, which helps in burning fat, thus helping in weight loss. 3. Cleanses the liver. Carrot juice can help in cleansing and detoxifying the liver. The regular consumption of carrot juice can eliminate the toxins from your liver. The bloodstream is not able to remove the bile and the toxins through the kidneys. They need to be removed from the skin. Carrot juice helps in the process of eliminating the harmful bile from the body. 4. Glowing skin. Carrot juice contains antioxidants and minerals like potassium, which can prevent cell degradation, thus keeping your skin healthy and young. These nutrients protect your skin against dryness, reduce blemishes and scars, and improve skin tone. 5. Strengthens the bones. Carrot juice is a great source of vitamin K, which contributes in the protein building process of the body. It supports the binding of calcium, which leads to faster healing, especially in the case of broken bones. 6. Increases metabolism. Carrot juice contains phosphorus, which boosts the metabolic rate of your body, reduces pain after a workout, and ensures optimal use of energy in the body. Carrot juice is also rich in vitamin B complex, which helps in breaking down protein, glucose, and fat. It increases metabolism and it helps in muscle building, thus helping in weight loss. 7. Oral health maintenance. Carrot juice contains nutrients which can improve your immunity, and the ability of your body to fight bacteria that enter through the mouth, and thrive in your teeth and gums. Carrot juice has antibacterial properties and can prevent cavities and tooth decay. Moreover, carrots can remove stains and plaque from teeth. The fiber contained in carrots can act as a natural digestive system brush, thus boosting your immunity. It can eliminate the unwanted bacteria in your gut and promote better digestion of immune-boosting nutrients. 8. Prevents cancer. After digestion, some of the waste particles known as free radicals can remain in your body. They are extremely harmful for the cells. By consuming foods rich in antioxidants, you will be able to fight these free radicals, thus reducing the risk of developing cancerous cells. According to some studies, 100 grams of carrots contain 33% vitamin A, 5% vitamin B6, and 9% vitamin C, all of which work together to fight free radicals. 9. Promotes heart health. In order to maintain a healthy heart, make sure to reduce your stress levels, exercise regularly, and get the proper amount of sleep. Also, it is very important to have a healthy and balanced diet so you can get positive effects. With their rich content of dietary fiber and antioxidants, carrots are extremely beneficial for your heart health. They can maintain blood circulation and remove plaque from your arteries. 10. Protects eye health. Carrots contain lutein, beta-carotene, and zeaxanthin, essential for improving the eye health. Beta-carotene can prevent many eye disorders including macular degeneration and even blindness. Zeaxanthin and lutein, on the other hand, can reduce the risk of age-related vision loss. Only 1 cup of chopped carrots provides 400% of vitamin A recommended daily dose. This vitamin is essential for protecting eye vision. The regular consumption of carrot juice can maintain the good condition of your eyes and vision. Carrot juice recipe. Needed ingredients: 2 cups water, 2 cups chopped carrots, 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon fresh and peeled ginger, ice cubes. Directions: all you have to do is to put all the ingredients in a blender and blend them well. That is it. Your juice is ready. Enjoy! If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.